Do you have any final thoughts before we leave this place? No. That's it? Alright, so we're basically done cleaning up, packed up. We're waiting on Lei's parents. Give you a little tour of what it looks like. Basically empty. So some people, Lei's parents and some friends of ours, are gonna come and take whatever's left over that they want. So there's a lot of stuff out, but it's all packed up, ready to go. Our last apartment walkthrough until we're in America. Alright, some stuff that we can't take. The bathroom. Say hello, Lei.
Hi.
No bedroom. This is the only room that got warm here in the winter. So, show you guys how the air looks today. Not very nice. Alright, it's our last moments in the apartment.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
So today is our 6th day in the hotel, and we're going to move tomorrow. Yes, very excited. So we did a lot shopping in the past few days. We got some TV, bed, couch, coffee table, and etc. And they will be delivered in a few days. Yes, but we will make sure that we have a bed to sleep on tomorrow night.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
This is our new place.
So
Let's see.
Come on in.
Okay, you want to give them the tour?
Okay, so as we walk in, you can see a little fireplace, and this is our living room. And where Peter is standing is our dining room. Okay, it's a little tight, but we will work it out.
Some storage.
Some storage.
Very nice.
And our kitchen.
Oh, where's the light? Okay, here we go. Oh, it has a garbage disposal.
Well, yeah, you found it out. That's a little kitchen.
It's pretty good size. It's similar.
Two Butts kitchen.
Two Butts kitchen from the video yesterday. Okay.
So along the hallway, you will find a second bedroom on the right. This will be our office. Okay, it's a decent
Closet.
closet. And on the right, this is the washer and dryer.
A little old.
A little old, a little dated, but
we really miss dryers in China.
And this will be our bathroom. Nice color, huh?
Yeah.
I like its steel floor here.
And the bathroom has two doors, one to the hallway and one to the
Master bedroom.
master bedroom.
We just got our bed delivered.
We gotta put it together.
And our walk-in closet.
Well, never before. Alright, so we're gonna move some stuff in. We'll show you guys what it looks like after
put things together.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.